You want to know what makes us different from any other real estate company? Our holistic approach to selling homes. At Zen Living Homes, we're not just going to be putting the home on the market. We're actually going to do more than that. Right now, we just finished a beautiful open house. And right after the open house, we're about to embark in a journey of sound healing where we're going to energize this home, bless it, so that we can manifest the perfect fire. Follow me. What an amazing experience we just had blessing this beautiful home the holistic way. This is the Zen Living way. Follow us on our social media pages or register on our website for more information at zenlivingrealty.com.